This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Soleil Studio.
Well, CoastLife, we know that school is right around the corner. If you've got the little ones and you're trying to get everybody's schedule underway, it can be hard to remember to take care of your own schedule. And sometimes that includes your fitness routine. And if it's yoga that you have been all about lately, then you want to make sure you get to Soleil. We're hanging out with Claire Knudsen again, owner and founder of Soleil Studio in Lewis. And Claire, I know for a lot of folks it can be hard once you kind of lose touch with that routine to get back into it. Do you have some tips and tricks and ways that you encourage people to keep getting into the studio?
Yes. Yeah, and summer's crazy. So yeah. I know, everyone's busy, everybody has so much going on, and it's so easy to fall out of routine and say, I'll deal with it when school's back at the end of the summer, the fall will be my time, right? Mm-hmm. Well, sometimes it's not. So the easiest way, honestly, is to schedule your workouts just like you schedule everything else. I always tell people, if you are feeling like you're struggling to find time when you get in, consistency is key. Pick 2 or 3 days out of the week when you want to make it in, schedule it out, put it on your calendar, tell your significant other. Make sure that you have somebody there to watch the kids or, whatever you need to do so that you can make it to your workout. Number one, most important thing. 2, accountability. Find a workout buddy. I have so many members that come with their friends, their sisters, their cousins, their nieces, whoever it is, and just knowing that somebody is going to be waiting for you at 6 a.m., it could be me. Whoever it is, that does help hold you accountable and get you out of bed in the morning so that you make it there.
Yeah, I think having a workout buddy, I think that's also, maybe if you've been sort of working out on your own, there's plenty of resources to do that, but the accountability is the hardest part. I know this myself, and I think you can find a like-minded workout buddy at a class like ones that you'll find at Soleil. So what are some of the class options that you have for folks that are maybe, struggling with that routine, or they want to get back into a routine, or maybe they want to start a routine from the ground up?
Yep, we've got a lot. So we have a lot to offer. And the good news is that we start at 6 a.m. So if you have kids or you have an early day, most of the time, 6 a.m. can work for you. We have sweat classes, which is our power yoga class. We have our sculpt, which is our most popular. It combines yoga and strength training. Our sculpt plus, which is more of a circuit training style class. And then stretch, which is our restorative, slower pace. We have classes throughout the morning. We have a mid-afternoon class, and then we have evening classes. What is really popular and what is growing, which I love to see, is our Friday afternoon happy hour class.
Fun.
So that's a 45-minute class. It starts at 5. You are in and out between 5 and 6, and that way you can come straight from work, or you can, log off, head over to the studio, and then you're out of there and you're able to go home and start your weekend, and you're not stuck and held up in traffic. Yeah. 45 minutes, it's all you need. You're in and out quick, and you feel like you just accomplished something great, and you're able to go on throughout the rest of your weekend.
I love that. And I also know, for as we get older, it's a little bit harder sometimes to make connections, make those friends. I think it can even become more difficult once you are a parent and your kids are your life and you're in the middle of everything that they're doing. This is a great way to make those connections, make a friend, and then maybe go to a happy hour after your yoga class, and it'd be really, really fun. And just a great way to socialize, connect, and feel better.
Yes, community is so important. And one thing that really, really has brought me so much joy is being able to build a community at the studio. People meet for the first time. People are making friends. I'm becoming friends with the members. It's really beautiful. And we all need people in our lives, especially if you're working from home. That might be the only time you're interacting with another adult your entire day. So it gives you just time to get out and talk to someone and just feel connected. And that goes much further than most people even think.
So important. So if folks are, hearing this, they're making time in their schedules to carve out, where can they find you and where can they get more details on maybe the packages that you have for classes, or if they just have some questions that they want to send your way?
Our website, it's sweatsoleil.com, so SOLEIL. Our Instagram handle is the same, Sweat Soleil. Same with Facebook. You can find us there. You can message us there, shoot me an email, reach out. I would be happy to talk. And come in and try out a class.
Awesome. Well, Claire, thank you so much for carving out some time for us and, getting people on track, keeping people on track with their fitness routines, and building that community that you're so proud to be part of.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. We've got some more CoastLife to get to, more fun, more community to build when we get back.